Yeah? You think so? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this type of thing on, well, I do this type of thing every day. You see these videos on Thursdays and Sundays. So if you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing just kind of like my morning routine, what I do every morning when I get up. Well, not every morning, I should say. Some mornings I opt for like just really good skincare. But any other day where I'm getting up, it's early, I'm tired, I have to go to work in like 5 minutes, this is my normal routine. Sped up, of course, because I'm not narrating the whole thing, but this will be it. Of course, I will wake up, brush my hair, pull it back. I have like a whole drawer of just tons of headbands. I use it to pull it back. And right now, for my primer, right now I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I don't have a whole lot left, but I've been loving it. It reminds me of my Tatcha. And I'll take some just out of here, take some, and I press it into where I have like my super porous areas. I've been trying this lately and it's been working kind of good for me, whether it's just me thinking it's working or it's actually working. Come back in, get a little bit more. Press, press, press. And I'm pressing, not like sliding, pressing it in here. Same thing with my nose. Press, press, press. Where my giant pores live. I'm filling my pores basically. More, and then I do it on my forehead. And not like a quick dab either, but like a press, like I wanted to do. Not a dab, but press. Ugh. And then I'll take a little bit more, or if I have excess on my fingers, and I'll just go around, dab out where I didn't press, and I'll rub it on. Swipe it on, get it on. And it doesn't take too much. Just whatever, a little bit. Just so I have primer all over my face. And I know you're probably like, why do you need primer? I need primer. I like that protective barrier between my skin and my makeup. Look at this, look at this. I can see through the bottom. Took me a while, but we're here. Okay. And then while I let that sit and like set, what I'll usually do is like brush my teeth. I've already brushed my teeth, so I'm just gonna let this chill for a second while I wipe off any excess. Let me water my And usually when I'm brushing my teeth, I'll come in and wet my little sponge. So next I'll come in with my concealer. I've been keeping this one in my bathroom. It's from ColourPop. It's a pretty fresh hyaluronic creamy concealer. It's been working pretty good for me in Fair 20N. And I don't know, I just like the way it feels on my skin. It looks every day. I do get pretty oily on the day-to-day when it's like not a special event or anything, just my normal going to work stuff. So I'll take whatever's on here. And I'm also starting to run kind of low on this. I don't know if you can see too well, but there's not a whole lot left. Take my beauty sponge and just blot it in there. Top and bottom. Whatever's there goes there. And sometimes I'll do my nose for a little extra coverage just because I know it gets red first. It gets red first along with my cheeks. So whatever's left, I bring down. And then I'll come in with what I also hardly have any left of, my Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer in the shade, is it LG3? I'm not 100% sure. I've got SPF 20, so it gets me like to the car, to work, back to my car, home. And like my drive is like 2 seconds. So it holds me over for a good chunk of my morning. And then we'll just come in with a little bit of this. And I start low and go high. Okay, a little bit more for the top. Squeak. Not a ton. And we come around. And then I'll take my blush, which, no surprise, I feel like this is like a trend here in my bathroom when I'm getting ready in the morning. I come in with my blush. It's Show Me Your Cheeks from MOTT. I love this color. Very pretty. Come in with a brush, pick up some pigment, and lay it on. Perfect. Yay. Alright, that's it. That's my blush. Alright. Then we'll come in with my mascara, which is new because I, shocker, ran out of my other one. This is the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Stretch and Strengthen Mascara. Still pretty good. I like it. No issues. If I didn't like it, I wouldn't be here. I love the formula. Lovely. So depending on how my morning's going, I moved my big, let me show you, my big box of Lippies from ColourPop. I moved them in here. So they're sitting here, and depending on how I feel in the morning, I'll reach for one of these. And lately I've been favoring these two. It's the Oh Snap, it's a matte, and then Dream Date, it's a cream. Very pretty. I don't know how ColourPop is like work their way into like all parts of my life. I want to say it's weird, but at the same time, meh. I'll come in with the Dream Date today, just because I'm going to go for more of like a darker look, but like the pop of green here. And then depending on how my skin's feeling, well, I'll come in with my brow brush. I usually don't do too much with my brows. They're pretty well behaved because all I'm doing is going and sitting down for 8-12 hours. So I'll take this, just brush through them pretty well. Brush through them. So depending on how my skin is feeling that morning, I'll come in with one of 2 of my setting sprays I have here. This one's running on fumes. I brought this one in a little while ago. Have been using this from time to time. Otherwise, if I know it's going to be a pretty chill day or my skin is feeling like really, I don't know, hydrated, I'll just leave it the way it is, which is how we feel right now. So I'm going to leave it how it is. Take out my headband. Close my drawers. Everything's already been put away. If I need a hair tie for the day, I'll snag it, and then we head off for work. That's it. This is my morning routine. I know it's not grand or fancy or big, but this is it. It doesn't need to be anything big, grand, or fancy. I'm not going in front of like hundreds or tens of people. It's just myself. Sometimes there's one other person, maybe 2, that I'll run into, and when that happens, I'm wearing a mask, so that's even less of a reason to put on makeup or more makeup. But yeah, this is my morning routine. Thank you for hanging out with me. Let me know if yours is the same, if you go through different, I don't know, different products, if you go through like a longer time frame to get ready, you do more. I used to when I worked in like a larger office with more people, but now it's just me. So there's not much to do. Yeah, but I still want to keep up a routine even though we're like still doing this pandemic thing. Yeah, it's, for me, I feel like it's a good thing to keep doing something, and I like this something. I do. Yeah, thank you for hanging out. Remember, hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoy what you saw, and I will catch you next time. Bye.